Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Encountering the AS-3 error in Epic Games can be frustrating, often preventing you from accessing games or the store. This specific error code usually points to a connectivity issue between your computer and Epic servers, but there's no need to panic. We're here to walk you through a few straightforward solutions that will help you troubleshoot and hopefully resolve this problem quickly, getting you back into your games without hassle. The very first step to fixing the AS-3 error is to check your internet connection. A fluctuating or weak connection is a frequent culprit behind these server-related issues. Try restarting your router and modem by unplugging them for about 30 seconds, then plugging them back in. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable link, as this can often resolve unexpected disconnections and improve overall network reliability. Next, we recommend clearing the Epic Games Launcher's web cache. Over time, cache data can become corrupted, which might interfere with the launcher's ability to connect properly to Epic servers, triggering the AS-3 error. To do this, close the launcher completely. Then, navigate to your App Data local folder, locate the Epic Games Launcher directory, and delete the web cache folder inside it. Relaunching the client will rebuild this cache fresh, often resolving the problem. Sometimes, changing your domain name system, or DNS, settings can resolve connectivity problems like AS-3. Consider switching to a public DNS server, such as Google's 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1, which are often faster and more reliable. Also, ensure your firewall isn't inadvertently blocking the Epic Games Launcher. Add an exception for the launcher in your Windows, Defender, or third-party antivirus firewall settings to allow it full network access. If you've tried all the previous steps and the AS-3 error persists, a complete reinstallation of the Epic Games Launcher might be necessary. This ensures all files are fresh and uncorrupted, often solving stubborn issues. Make sure to back up any game data if needed before uninstalling. If even after a fresh installation the problem remains, your best course of action is to reach out directly to Epic Games Player Support. They can provide personalized assistance and investigate server-side issues specific to your account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.